ओम 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 ओम। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वे सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओं तत्सत् हरि ओं तत्सत् हरि ओं तत्सत्। ओं भूर्भुवः स्वः ओं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओं महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओं भूर्भुवः स्वः ओं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओं महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओं भूर्भुवः स्वः ओं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओं महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओं भूर्भुवः स्वः ओं तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओं महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओं त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षमामृतात्। 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 ओं ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवती जय दुर्गाय नमः। ओं उत्तिष्ठोपरि विश्वपेशी भवन् समुपस्थितं यशक्यम् अशक्यं दुर्गे भगवैश्वमै स्वाहा। ओं अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके नमामि कश्चन स स्वस्थः स्वगः सुभद्रिकं काम्बर्यावासिनीम्। ओं ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवती दुर्गाय नमः। ओं उत्तिष्ठोपरि विश्वपेशी भवन् समुपस्थितं यदि सत्यम् अशक्यं दुर्गे भगवती समय स्वाहा। ओं अम्बे अम्बिके अम्बालिके नमामि कश्चन स स्वस्थः स्वगः सुभद्रिकं काम्बर्यावासिनीम्। रंग रंगाय नमः संसीताय नमः। ओम हम हनुमते रुद्रात्मकाय हुं भोः स्वाहा। रंग रंगाय नमः संसीताय नमः। ओम हम हनुमते रुद्रात्मकाय हुं भोः स्वाहा। रंग रंगाय नमः संसीताय नमः। ओम हम हनुमते रुद्रात्मकाय हुं भोः स्वाहा। द्रं दिगंबराय नमः। द्रं चिरंजीवे नमः। द्रं दिगंबराय नमः। द्रं चिरंजीवे नमः। द्रं दिगंबराय नमः। द्रं चिरंजीवे नमः। Namaste, pranam to all of you. I am speaking in English. मैं इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ। रियली हम लोग को उड़ीसा का है, इंडिया में है, हिंदी यहाँ चलता है, तो फिर भी हम लोगों को इंग्लिश में बोलना ठीक नहीं होता है। लेकिन ये चीज़ है कि मुझे तो हिंदी बराबर नहीं आता है, ग्रामेटिकल हिंदी बोलने का नहीं आता है। दूसरा चीज़ है, फेसबुक एक इंटरनेशनल फोरम है जिसमें कि बहुत सारे लोग इंटरनेशनल की देखते रहते हैं, मैं भी। और योगा एक इंटरनेशनल फील्ड है। ये जो नॉलेज है ना, मैं भी इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू एनीबॉडी इंक्लूडिंग मी। तो इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ, तो मुझे माफ़ करना। किसको दिक्कत हो रहा है तो इसके लिए। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है ना, अनफोल्डिंग द पोटेंशियल, एम्पावरिंग द सोल, द ट्रैवल फ्रॉम materialism to spiritualism. Really, this, spiritualism and materialism first we define. In materialism, we eat material food, we take care of our body, everything we have to prove. Suppose I have a pain, then I have to prove that it is a pain. Okay, I eat means materially I have to eat. These are materialism. Modern science and medicines are also included in materialism. Spiritualism, on the other hand, in contrast, a belief on God, a belief on a spirit, that something beyond our vision, something beyond our senses exists. It helps or it doesn't help, or it harms or it doesn't harm. So that thought pattern, the result of our thought pattern. Prayer, we do prayer, we expect some benefits from prayer. Yoga, by doing yoga you are trying to achieve something. Meditation, so all these things are in spiritualism. Spiritualism is thought to be a very wider subject than materialism. Still, there are people on both sides. Many people think materialism is the best. Many people think spiritualism is the best. Anyhow, everybody believes in God, more or less. Materialism, say, I am giving some examples. I am ill, so I have to take some medicines. That is materialism. I took poison, I would die. So these are all direct effect, means it can be proved immediately that this person is treated by medicine. On the other hand, so this is spiritualism and materialism in short. There are many people can put different things on this subject differently, but as per my opinion, that I did. So, see, the unfolding of potential. I will give an example. Say this is a bottle. Okay. So, unless I open the cap and put water into it, I cannot put water into it, or water won't get inside the bottle because I have closed the cap. Like that, our body, entire body, somewhere or other is filled up with emotions, stress and emotions and pain and toxins. Okay, somewhere, somehow. Like suppose I am telling in knee area, backbone area, this backbone area or comor waist area, this backside area, these are with stress, and other areas with toxin of air, water and heat, toxins, vata, pitta, kapha, and mind with wrong ideas, wrong memories. So for that reason, unless you clean that previous memory, that stress or the toxin, you cannot put fresh things. That is the concept of yoga. That is how we do exercises, this meditation for mind, these postures for body. Okay, so cleaning exercises, you can say that is a kind of cleaning exercises. And God has put a witness to our work. Means our work is being witnessed by a third person inside us. That is भगवान कृष्ण बोलते हैं उदाहरयत आत्मनो आत्मचः नात्मनः आभासदये आत्मनः आत्मच बंधु आत्मनः रिपु आत्मच. So means your soul is your witness, and if you do anything wrong, then that soul is your enemy, and if you do something good, that soul is your friend. So now let me give an example. Suppose how this is helpful, spiritualism helpful to us, because this Bhagavad Gita is a spiritual matter, and spiritually Bhagavan Krishna has told this sloka. So say I attended a conference of Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, or Honorable MP Rahul Gandhi. Nobody saw, because I was a layman. I went and I came. But anyhow I attended the conference. Now, so does that mean that I won't get any benefit or any result of my visiting? No, because another person that you don't know, that is your own soul, is witnessing what you have done. So that soul will give you result, will rechannelize the energy cycle, rearrange the matter for you according to the new concept. It will give you different new environment as per your own work. That is how the spiritualism works, because many small people are there, many small creatures. Even भगवान कृष्णा बोलते हैं तो ये जितना जीव जंतु है ना, योगाक्षम बहम्य हम, मीन्स एवरीबॉडी, every creature, he takes care of everything. How? Because the soul is the witness of his own deed. No, it is not necessary that a third person has to take a photograph of you, that you are with Honorable Narendra Modi or Honorable Rahul Gandhi. When you do some work, then your own soul will be witness of you. That is spiritualism. Then I took money from somebody, then I scolded somebody. Nobody witnesses. There is no witness. But my own soul is my witness. That arranges the actions and the results. Okay? Now this is one topic. So our actions means Rama Sharma, Pandit Rama, Vedopanishta Pandit Rama Sharma Acharya, in his books, he has written that vibrations are there, negative and positive vibrations are there. So, when you, in addition to this, this is included in spiritualism, what happens? Those vibrations are in the world. Like that, say, we are killing some animals to eat. Now, the pain of those vibrations go to the layer of ether, the space. They stay there. They don't go away. I am in pain or I am happy. So those respective layer of emotions, they are not completely destroyed. Even though they are not transparent, but they are not destroyed. They stay in the ether. So when your work, you do some work now, those layers are attracted to you as per your own work. That is how your mind behaves differently in different as per your own activity. Okay, this is. So then the unfolding of the potential means Swami Vivekananda, it is told that our mind is a supercomputer. God has given a supercomputer to us. Swami Vivekananda, being a very talented and very famous saint, he used he could use only 19% of the potential of his mind, because that was the maximum extent many people used. Maybe Einstein, like these people, or Mao Zedong, or Lenin, or say Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, like these people, or Tolstoy, these very great people, Kalidas, poet Kalidas, Akbar, Samrat Akbar. So all these people, they only used to a limited extent of their mind, the potential of the mind. Still a great potential is lying. So our work is to unfold, open up that potential as much as possible as an individual. That is being taught in yoga. So my wrist, suppose I gathered some stress over here and I am doing this exercise, then automatically the stress is removed. That is how scientifically they have worked on this, and they found that if you do like this, then the stress is removed from this. When you do like this, the stress, accumulated stress from here is removed. By that, our whole body becomes free from stress. Now, toxins, when you clean our body through water, drinking of water, or jal neti, or like these toxins, or pranayam, through pranayam, when we clean the toxins, then what happens? Our mind, ultimately, body works through the mind. So, body works through the mind means, and wrong thoughts from the mind also removing. So, ultimately, this body gives more power to the mind, and if it is positive, then it can attract more positive vibration from the other, and it can unfold its true potential, or chakra activation, or kundalini activation. They say kundalini activation means Honorable आदरणीय हठ योगी निकम गुरुजी बोल रहे थे कि एट द बॉटम ऑफ आवर बैकबोन, दैट पेरिनियम पॉइंट, देयर इज लाइज ए serpent power. This unfold, this unattended power. So slowly, when you just touch that power repeatedly and regularly, then what happens? That power also being unfold. That is being told as serpent power or Kundalini Shakti. So for all these things, the requirement is you have to practice regularly and systematically, regularly. So unless you do, until you practice, you may not get. There are some transmission of energies by some organizations, they tell, but really our practice, the school I am coming from, they believe that practice is most important rather transmission. So for practice or for doing some this yoga, you must have confidence in yourself, faith in your work. If you half-heartedly you are doing, you are not confident that what you will achieve, or really it works, or it pays, then you may not achieve the desired result. And further, knowledge is more important. You have to learn different methods from different schools. You have to analyze and interpret them. When only you interpret and you analyze the things, you understand the true knowledge, and you adjust the knowledge or your mind to how you will derive more benefits from that. That is possible only when you go through different knowledge sections, go through books, read something, see something, practice somewhere, listen to somebody. So like this, that is improved, and the true potential of human body, mind and soul is unfolded. I am telling this soul consciousness, awareness of our soul, this awareness of unfolding our true potential. soul consciousness, soul awareness. So once in Nikam Guruji, what they do for meditation practices, Gayatri chanting is there. In addition to that, during the practice, what they do, they contemplate that soul is lying in our heart. Slowly, they raise the soul to their Agyan Chakra. They concentrate on Agyan Chakra for some time. Again, they bring it back. This is a kind of soul awareness. Some Niranjana Yoga Sansthan in Bargad I attended. I saw that what they are doing during Surya Namaskar or during that Savasana, so they are taking that just releasing the stress from their body, Nispada Bhavasana type. So what they do, they contemplate that, they visualize that their soul is being separated from their body. It stands at a different place nearby. It observes your body, that whether it is still, it is moving, it is doing some activity or not. So that's how they, by that, thereby, they really, it's not possible for your soul to go outside and come back. But the soul awareness that we have another body, the astral body, different layer of the body, the five पंच कोशों बोलते हैं, अन्नमय कोशों, मनोमय कोशों, विज्ञानमय कोशों, आनंदमय कोशों. Okay, so they contemplate, they thereby they create an awareness of the soul. Now, so heartfulness meditation also. Heartfulness meditation, what they contemplate for hour, 1 hour or 2 hours, they simply put their mind into their heart. They visualize a light there, the power of soul is there, and truly this soul becomes more powerful and can give you better result. Okay. So, but these are also workable only when you have to make a inwardness desire, inwardness attempt. You have to your attitude should be inwardness.